Welcome. If you've ever wanted to hide your Instagram story from a specific person, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to do just that on your Android device. Whether you're looking to keep certain people from seeing your stories or just want a little more privacy, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your home feed. To get started, tap on Your Story at the top left of your screen. This will open up your story view. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. Tap that to open your story settings. Now, tap on Story, which will give you more options related to who can see your Instagram stories. Here's the key part. Tap on the section that says Hide Story From. You'll be able to see a list of people who follow you. From here, simply mark the people you want to hide your story from. Once you've selected who you want to hide it from, tap Done in the top right corner to confirm your choices. That's it. You've successfully hidden your Instagram story from certain people, and they won't even know it. You can always go back and adjust this setting anytime. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Instagram privacy and more.